In the high-speed world, water becomes thick, dense, an alien environment that we struggle to get through. Over time, a strong swimmer can manage about 2 miles per hour. But that's a crawl compared to other mammals, like the dolphin, who speeds through 5 times faster. But it's only in slow motion that we see why the dolphin is so much at home here. We aren't. Water is 800 times thicker than air. So thick that it pulls and distorts our soft bodies as we swim, causing drag which holds us back. Now watch what happens to the dolphin. The water doesn't distort his body at all, but passes smoothly over it. That's because the dolphin has much thicker skin, like rubber, that stops his blubber flapping. So while we struggle to make headway, a dolphin is barely trying. And when it needs to swim even faster, the dolphin makes it look easy. Slowed down 40 times, we can suddenly see things invisible to the naked eye. The water flows cleanly around its torpedo-shaped body, so the dolphin can speed through effortlessly, saving his energy for the important things, like showing off. And if he can't be bothered with that, he can always hitch a ride on the surf. But there's something really strange about water, and it's hiding beyond our sight. Lurking in these warm, clear waters is an invisible force capable of tearing through metal. A force that is, even now, destroying this boat. There's one tiny creature who can show us this force in action. He may be small, but he's armed and dangerous. Hiding under the rock is a pistol shrimp, and he's packing a lethal weapon. This crab is heading into trouble. Our shrimp is ready for a fight. At first sight, it looks like he's punching the intruder with his claw. But in fact, something much stranger is going on. Something we can only see if we look again in slow motion. That sound we hear is not from the claw itself, but from an amazing invisible force. The claw snap happens so fast, it causes a high-velocity water jet, which shoots forward at almost 60 miles an hour, fast enough to vaporize the water and form a bubble. But this is no ordinary bubble. For an instant, it's as hot as the surface of the sun, and as it collapses, this vast energy is released like a superheated shockwave, stunning or even killing its prey. The knockout punch comes not from the claw, but from the super-hot power of a bubble. This potent force is called cavitation. It happens whenever water is forced to move at extreme speeds, and it can destroy a lot more than a little crab. Up to now, it's been completely invisible. Using ultra-high-speed cameras, we can finally see it in action. This propeller is spinning so fast, it vaporizes the water around the tips of the blades, creating streams of super-hot bubbles. As they collapse, they release a massive wave of energy, bombarding the propeller blades. It's so powerful, it can destroy the metal itself. Cavitation destroyed this propeller after a single journey across the Atlantic.